alam na natin yung 50-30-20 rule. Pero meron pa rin tayong 50-40-10 rule. So, yung 50, yun yung needs. Diba? Housing, food, transportation, medical expenses, at saka essential debt. Siguro yung essential debt is yung utilities natin. Kuryente, tubig, internet. Diba? Yun. And then yung 40, yun yung savings and investment, emergency fund, self-education, kung may stocks kayo, rental and properties. Yung rental kasi kung may inupahan kayo para sa isang bagay na mahalaga sa inyo. Tsaka yung properties. Then yung 10% yung wants, restaurants, entertainment, luxury items, vacation, at saka electronics kung mahilig kayo sa gadget. Di ba? I mean, except cellphones. Kasi yung cellphones is necessity na ngayon yan. Yung computers, it's a necessity. Yung mga electronic devices lang na parang for leisure. So, yun. Lagay na natin sa ganun yung 50-40-10 rule. So, yan. May bago na naman tayo natututunan. So, yun lang po.